Pilots is Litre Total Parts Pro today with 2017 Ford Escape stock number 6660. It's ran from the 9th 2016 to the 5th 2020. It has a ZG 2 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the ZG 2 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left front 18-inch factory mag tyre. Left front guard, less flare. Front bonnet, no dents. Left hand door mirror. Left front and left rear door, no dents. Left rear 18-inch factory mag tyre. Left hand tail light. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right hand tail light. Right rear 18-inch factory mag tyre. Right rear and right front door, no dents. Right front door mirror. Right front 18-inch factory mag tyre. Right front door code, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster,